Hello, in this short video I will give some basic information about processors. Enjoy watching. How do computer processors work and what are they used for? Computer processors are essential components of computers and play a crucial role in enabling computers to perform tasks. Processors, also known as central processing units (CPUs), process data and perform calculations when running computer programs. They act as the central unit that communicates with other hardware components, managing the overall performance of the computer. Processors typically follow these steps, receiving processor instructions. The processor receives program instructions from the computer's memory, RAM. These instructions define the task the processor needs to execute, decoding processor instructions. The processor uses a specific instruction set to interpret and decode the received instructions. These instructions can encompass a wide range of operations, from basic mathematical calculations to data transfers. Executing processor operations. The processor executes the instructions sequentially and swiftly. This involves performing arithmetic and logical operations, data transfers, and other tasks as specified by the instruction. Storing results in memory and other components. The processor often stores the results of computations in memory regions such as RAM, or sends them to other components. These results can be displayed to the user or used in subsequent operations. The primary function of processors is to enable the execution of computer programs. Many processors can handle multiple tasks simultaneously, allowing for the smooth operation of multitasking operating systems and applications. Additionally, processors are crucial in demanding tasks like computer gaming, graphic design, and video editing, where high performance is required. Processors significantly influence a computer's overall speed and performance. Factors such as processor speed, the number of cores, cache size, and architecture determining a processor's performance. Faster and more powerful processors can execute complex and resource-intensive tasks more quickly. Therefore, when selecting a computer, choosing the right processor that suits your intended use can make a significant difference in performance. I hope it was a useful explanation. If you can follow our channel, thank you. Goodbye.